I'm Ian with Grizzly Artwork LLC, and we're going to be making a snail on some mushrooms today. So the first thing we did was put in the outline right here of the snail and the two mushrooms. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut out all of the space that we don't need. And we're only going to be doing it from this angle first, and then we're going to work to the other angles.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
So now that we got the silhouette done with it, now I'm going to start rounding out the other side. So now that this is pretty much blocked out, I'm going to start rounding it out with the power gouge. A couple of questions what this tool is right here. So basically this is a 2-inch power gouge. You can get them at sawnuts.com, but it's a really, really nice tool. Now that we're done smoothing the piece out, now we're going to start working on the small details, which is going to be the mouth, shell a little bit, adding a little swirl. We're going to be fixing up the base. I think I'm going to do one or two rocks on each side. I'm not really sure yet. For the small details, I'm just going to use the MS 170. Small details are done, we're going to work on do finish work, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to burn this piece, get all the fuzzies off. Now we're going to grab the horse brush. This is a nice tool to have just to blend all the colors together and also get those tiny fuzzies off. Just make it nice and smooth. Because after this, we're going to be using the flap sander for pretty much most of the whole piece. And then we're going to be using an angle grinder for these little grooves right here. spray paint. And that's how you make a snail on some mushrooms. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try to reply to them as much as I can. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.